The 6th Kazenergy Eurasian Forum has opened in Astana. More than 50 major companies in the oil and gas industry assembled in the Kazakh capital city to discuss a new investment policy, as well as work out a unified approach to ensure global energy security. According to them, Kazakhstan has long been a reliable partner in the energy sphere. This is evidenced by 20 years of sustained growth over the past years and very attractive prospects for future cooperation. Kazakhstan is a young country, but you have already become a serious partner in the global energy market over these 20 years. This primarily applies to oil production and export supply, not only to Europe, but also to other regions in the world. We believe that Kazakhstan's role will grow in energy development. After all, there are gas fields in your country and their production will increase further. The EU Energy Commissioner, Günther Oettinger, also said that the European Union approves of Kazakhstan's continued participation in the Southern Gas Corridor. This is the gas supply to Europe through the Caspian Sea. The EU hopes that the construction of a pipeline through Azerbaijan and Turkmenistan will diversify gas supplies. A series of statements was also made by the Kazakhstan Ministry of Oil and Gas. Sawat Minbayev said that terms and conditions of the second phase of the Kashagan project are currently uncertain. However, the expected start date of commercial oil production remains the same, December 2012 to June 2013. This issue will be discussed. Of course, everyone understands that the project's economics, with the presence of the second phase, is likely to be the most cost-effective than having just one phase. We, the Kazenergy gas company, are now in the same boat with contracting companies, so we are participants and are interested in the effectiveness of this project. The near-term plans include the expansion of the Central Asia-China gas pipeline's capacity from 30 to 55 billion cubic meters. The production volumes of one of the projects at the Tengiz field will be increased up to 36 million tons. Negotiations on Kazakhstan joining the Karachiganak project will be completed by the end of this year. The construction of a new refinery after 2019 will solve the problem of providing the domestic market with fuel.